Today I'll show you localhost refused to connect in Google Chrome browser. So we can search localhost and phpMyAdmin. We saw this problem. We we can solve this problem within five steps. Step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4 and step 5. Let's go. Step 1, delete browsing data. So we can go to Google Chrome browser and three dot and history and click history and click delete browsing data. So turn on advanced and scroll down, mark hosted app data, site settings, mark autofill from data and click delete data. Now already finished step 1. So we can write down here step 1. Okay, let's go step 2, disable proxy server. Now we'll go to Google search button, write down here control panel and open control panel. Then click internet option, click connections and click here LAN setting and unmark proxy server. Okay, so finished step 2. So we can write down here okay, step 2. Then I'll go to step 3. Again I'm going we are going to control panel, open control panel and internet option and mark advanced, then underscore scroll, restore advanced setting, click apply, click OK. Now finished step 3. So you can write down here OK. Let's go step 4. Again going to search button, write down control panel, open control panel. Now we will go to network and sharing center and I'll go to sense adapter setting, click here and click here Ethernet and mark internet protocol and mark use the flowing DNS server. Write down here 888 and 8844. Click OK button. Close. Already finished step 4. So you can write down here OK. So I will go to step 5. It is most important step. We'll click Windows plus R. Now open a new tab. Here write down appswiss.cpl. Okay, and click turn Windows feature on or off. Here I'll go to Internet Information Service, click plus icon and check mark web management tool and old wait web service. then okay. Then click don't restart. Already finished step 5, so you can write down here okay. So I'll go to Google Chrome browser and search localhost. Wow, this problem already finished solved.